best piece of cardio equipment we could have got.
So, it was ahead of its time, way ahead of its time. I think it still is ahead of its time.
It's something you get hooked on it. It's an addiction. I don't even think about opening up a club without getting a Jacob's ladder.
Cool. And obviously it's great for anybody who's interested in cardio.
It's awesome workout though, like I'm dripping in sweat when I'm done.
Jacob's Ladder is a patented piece of commercial cardio equipment designed specifically for training athletes, professionals, and fitness enthusiasts. Its simple yet effective design combines the best of functional, low-impact exercise with the intensity of total body weight training. It is self-powered and self-paced. Jacob's Ladder is built for the durable commercial market and is backed by a 4-year parts and 1-year labor warranty. Jacob's Ladder is the ultimate fitness experience. Jacob's Ladder's patented design puts the user at a 40-degree angle, thereby placing the spine in a more neutral position, taking stress off of the lower back. Since the user is always in a positive climbing motion, a Jacob's Ladder workout has very little impact on hip, knee, and ankle joints that are susceptible to wear and injury. The ladder rungs are spaced 12 inches apart, forcing the user to use a full range of motion. The closed chain motion of the upper body recruits core stabilization muscle groups to simulate function and provides a strong exercise in the rehabilitation of lower back, shoulder, and lower body injuries. The unit is self-paced, ensuring that the user is neither underworked nor overworked. This fact also makes Jacob's Ladder an excellent tool for training athletes, either aerobically or anaerobically. Jacob's Ladder works all lower body muscle groups, core muscle groups, and upper body groups in raising the user's heart rate into the target zone faster than almost any other cardio piece on the market today. Correspondingly, it has the ability to burn more calories than most all traditional cardio machines. Jacob's Ladder is also self-powered, so there is no need to be tied to an electrical outlet, giving the freedom to move Jacob's Ladder anywhere in a facility.
We train kids from 10 years old up until Division I and then beyond, and I can use the same piece of equipment for all those kids, just adjust the parameters and they all get a good workout.
Slower. It's just such a good cardio machine to mix in there because it's so different than all the other cardio machines.
I promote it wherever I can. I wish more health clubs carried it because I have patients, I send them out to health clubs and they want it and they can't find it. So I love the machine.
Because it is, by far, it is the piece of equipment out there that probably has the highest output of any piece on the market.
It's an overall fitness machine. I mean, you are exercising your arms, your legs, and your core at the same time. You're providing a significant strengthening component for the lower extremities, and you're doing so with a reduced risk of injury to the knees, which is one of the most vulnerable joints in the body.
You like to say you're going to get on for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a hard workout in Jacob's Ladder. You'll say we're going to go 3 5-minute shots and we're going to do lunges or abs or something in between those as part of a circuit. But the other thing is you can't get a number. Like you're going to go run 2 miles, you're going to get 1,000 feet. You're going to try to average, 200 feet per, every minute or every 2 minutes.
With our programming, many times we'll take our clients through an exciting round of resistance training, working a lot of major muscle groups, and then we'll do a little bit of cardiovascular training, which we like to use the Jacob's Ladder for, right after one of those circuits for anywhere between 1 to 5 minutes. So doing a 1 to 5 minute spurt of Jacob's Ladder followed by another round of resistance training really gets our clients' heart rates up, gets them to really burn some calories. They feel the strength increase, they feel real good. They certainly feel tired out, but they have a lot of fun too. So we really like using it here at the Rush Fitness Complex.
We use it for a couple reasons. We have, lots of different applications actually. A common application is low back pain. We want to have someone stimulate their deep core muscles, their ability to stabilize their pelvis while they're moving their arms and legs. This is certainly a great piece for that.
Well, the ladder is such a unique piece of equipment that it needs to be introduced to people. All right, and once you introduce to them, if they're real people that really understand, trying to get the most out of the cardio, they're hooked immediately. Just by the introduction of it. But it has to be introduced, right? And we use it in a variety of ways. We'll use it as in-between sets for 2 or 3. I go on 2 or 3 minutes of high output. The ladder offers that very easily. Because I'll say, okay, keep it at a certain speed, a certain feet per minute will determine the load of that person's body weight. So we're able to do that very easily as opposed to setting the machine up and saying, all right, how's that load right there, and pumping the machine up. We use it, and I've used it with training marathon people, and I was able to actually reduce their road time and still give them the same type of cardio workout without beating their body up.
I know previously I had heard comparisons to the VersaClimber and the Step Mill. We used to look at those, years ago when we were training clients as being one of the more advanced tools that can really get a client's heart rate up quickly. And I think Jacob's Ladder pretty much takes the cake with that now.
Yeah, I like the Jacob's Ladder for the most part better than the VersaClimber, only because of the weight bearing you're getting through the upper body when you're in this inclined position. The VersaClimber, which is more of an upright position, you're not getting as much compression through the upper body, so you don't get as much core reaction as a result.
Jacob's Ladder, I've been on the VersaClimber, and it's boring. Let's be honest, it's boring. It's just you're just sitting there, and I hear it's. Yep.
I think there are a large number of people out there who will go home after using a stair stepper or a VersaClimber or some type of stair climbing machine that are going to go home and have some pain behind their kneecap until they get used to it. With the Jacob's Ladder, it's you are not going to get that type of aggravation of kneecap pain.
It's a dream product on my end because, it's obviously easy to purchase, easy to maintain, and customers love it. So.
What is the waist belt for? Jacob's Ladder is designed so that the user controls the speed and braking at all times. This ensures that the user is neither under nor overworked. The belt is the simplest way to control speed and braking without compromising the machine's durability. Is the angle of Jacob's Ladder adjustable? No. We place the user at a 40-degree angle to take stress off the lower back and place the spine in a more neutral position. This truly gives the user a low-impact workout where they are able to determine intensity. One customer once said, "Jacob's Ladder is the easiest machine to work hard on." Tell me about the display readout. The Jacob's Ladder computer and readout offers rate in feet per minute, heart rate by wearing a chest strap, total feet climbed, elapsed time, and calories burned if you register your weight at the beginning of the workout. Does Jacob's Ladder come fully assembled? Absolutely. Just remove your Jacob's Ladder from the custom-made pallet, roll it into place, and start working out. It is that simple. How do I order Jacob's Ladder? The easiest way to purchase Jacob's Ladder is online at www.jacobsladderexercise.com, where PayPal is available. Or simply give us a call at 1-866-697-4100. We accept all major credit cards and checks, whichever is easier for you.